Hey everybody, JaMeka here. This time I am back with a new Dooney Bourke handbag. Okay, this time the package was not left on the front porch on top of a bunch of ants near an anthill, so that's good. However, the packaging wasn't very secure. It kind of already opened itself. The tape was not secure. It was basically delivered where all I had to do is pick up the box and it just popped open. Now, I don't know if it had anything to do with the heat and the humidity because it was sitting out for a while and it started untaping itself, or if it's just somehow got all weird during the shipping process or wasn't secure enough at the time it was packaged. This is the first time that I've actually gotten a Dooney Bourke box where it kind of just wanted to open itself. Luckily, it was not raining because we did get some rain, but they left on the front porch, so it didn't get rained on if it did. Anyways, that's my first impression of this particular purchase that I made with Dooney Bourke. But enough of that. Let's get this open. Woo! It's a tote. I think it's like a medium-sized tote bag. Pull this out. Here's the bag. It's definitely bigger than, my handbag that I ordered previously, because this is a tote. I wanted to order a tote. I've had my eye on a Dooney Bourke tote bag for a while, for maybe like the past year, but just never really bought one. I wanted to get something that looked a little more professional for the office instead of like slinging my padded Vera Bradley backpack. Nothing wrong with that. I use it for traveling, like going on trips, but I feel like I need to like step up my look and start looking a little more put together and professional when going to the workplace. So I came across this bag, this tote. I got it on sale recently. I think it was the sale where a bunch of handbags were up to 60% off, but up to. This bag was not 60% off. I think this bag ended up being like 40% off of the regular price. But so far, it's a good bag that I haven't used it, but from what I can see, I think I made the right choice. There are so many colors. I wanted to buy at least 5 of these totes just because I wanted each color, basically. My favorites was the jean color, that nice blue, green. I think it's just called green, caramel, black. Oh, then there was also blush. I watched so many YouTube videos of like trying to see what everybody else ordered, what colors look like in person or on video, because you can't really go by the website. The colors on there, like I've seen YouTube videos where the color will look completely different than what they're showing you on the website. So always check on YouTube first when you're doing your research. All right. Look at that color. This color is bone, but bone looks more like it's not off-white. It's like a cream, like a vanilla color. It's like vanilla ice cream color. Pretty. I also like that it's in like a neutral color, so it can go with everything in every season. I don't have to specifically use it for, a certain time of the year. I think it's more economical that way. despite all of the beautiful colors that they offer, I'm going to be safe and stick with neutral colors because it's just more economical to do it that way. Maybe one day I could get a bunch of different colors to play around with and designs and all that. But for now, I'm going to stick with neutral. All right, take another look. This, you know what? I am going to get some measuring tape so I can measure this and get like a more realistic measurement of the bag because, for instance, I was going to order the large tote in this particular bag that's available, but I read a bunch of reviews and people said not to trust looking at the description for the bag size because when they got for instance, a large tote bag, it was way bigger than they saw on the description. So that was another hard thing for me because I knew I wanted to use this for the office, but I didn't want to carry basically a beach bag size looking tote to work. I just wanted something that I could like drop my external hard drive in, maybe put some paperwork, my wallet, my phone, my yogurt for a snack or whatever, that kind of thing. So I was very concerned about, should I get the large tote and just like deal with the possibility of walking with a humongous bag that's the size of my beach bag, or do I trust getting like the regular medium size and cross my fingers and hope that it works out. I'm secretly looking for a dust bag because they're supposed to come with dust bags, I believe. I don't know if it could be in this or in the bag. Where's my dust bag? Hey. It's kind of weird. I'm not going to take all of this off right now, but I'll show you the strap. My face is in the way. Can you see it? Yeah, I'm hoping there's a dust bag inside the bag. Here's the zipper part first before I actually open it. Open it. Dust bag, where are you? Please be in the bag. Does this not come in a dust bag? So I'm legit gonna call Dooney Bourke and ask for a dust bag, and this did not come with one. Come on. Oh. There's the dust bag. Look, all the way down here. They used to like put the dust bag outside of the order. So it would be like one of the first things, at least when I order it, like I would see the dust bag first and then, the bag beside it or whatever. So this time they like to put it in the bag. Woo! I mean, you pay that much money, at least get a dust bag, I am so relieved. I'm so relieved because I would be disappointed. I paid too much money to not have a dust bag. Got my dust bag. So the interior, it has, I'm sure you can go on the website and see all the specs. I'm not good with specs or whatever. I can just like basically tell you what I see. So it looks like it's the linen, like a linen cotton material in this nice neutral color. Like pretty much all the Dooney Bourke bags that I own, all of them. I just own 2 other ones. They have some compartments. So first of all, also there is this key holder, this compartment here. So you could probably like put your phone. And then there's like a slightly larger compartment. They got the have the Dooney and Bourke logo right there. Now their zipper, interior, can zip things. So you have your zip compartment thing. Then there's like, I don't know what this is, like just a pocket. And of course you have the exterior zipper. Oh. And the Dooney and Bourke keychain. Ever noticed that these like to jingle a lot? So if you have any tips on how to not make it make a lot of noise besides taking it off of the bag, drop your tips in the comments. Or I could just add one of my keychains from my Etsy shop. Might do that instead. I'm loving this. The logo patch. Pretty. Pebble green tote. Not a handbag, it's a tote. I guess it's a medium-sized tote because they know they have one that literally says it's a small tote. So that's why I'm calling this one a medium tote. But let me get my Pebble green handbag that I ordered earlier this year, and like I'll put them side by side so you can see like a size comparison. If you were wondering, an update about this bag, still good. It still looks brand new. I used it all the way up to, I think, May. And I switched to my hydrangea purse for the summer. So this satchel, next to this is definitely bigger. And it will hold more stuff. So in case you're wondering, like, what this medium tote looks like in comparison with the Dooney Bourke satchel, here it is. I have the tape measure. So I can actually measure what this bag size is without going based off of what they're saying on the website. So we close this. So going from here to here, it is about 14, 14 and a half. Okay, so height of the bag. Looks like it landed at 10 inches. 14 and a half, and then 10. And bottom here. See how wide? About 5 3/4 inches across the bottom of the bag. So that's, this base part here, 5 3/4 inches roughly. They have the height of 10 inches. And then you have the length of the bag at 14 and a half. I should be able to put what I need in it. That's the Pebble green tote. Medium. It's not labeled medium, but I'm calling it medium because there is a larger size. And I'm kind of glad I didn't get the larger size bag now because I think this one is going to be large enough for the office. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe. You guys have a great summer, and I'll see you later for the next one. Bye.